Hello and welcome. My name is Duncan McLennan, and I'm a product manager at Avidbots. We design, manufacture, sell, and support robotic solutions that help keep workplaces clean and safe. You've likely already met your new teammate, Neo, the autonomous floor scrubbing robot. I'd like to share a few tips and tricks to keep in mind when working together with the robot. By following these tips and tricks, you can help Neo become a valuable team member who contributes to your workplace's cleanliness and safety. We're going to review 5 common scenarios today. The first is when Neo encounters a forklift in motion. The second, when Neo encounters a forklift placing an object on a rack. The third is when Neo encounters an order picker in motion. The fourth, when an employee parks a forklift near Neo. And finally, when a person or group walks past Neo while it's cleaning. Before we review the scenarios, let me quickly highlight the safety features Neo has on board, including audio alerts and various lights. An amber strobe light on Neo's top will flash whenever the robot is in motion. On the left and right sides of Neo, there are signal lights that will indicate as Neo turns. On Neo's rear, there are red brake lights that will engage when stopping. Finally, the color-changing light indicates Neo's status. The most important color to watch out for is red, which indicates a safety or emergency stop. Neo will not move when the light is red. Neo will also play audio alerts when in motion to let you know it's nearby. With that in mind, let's get started. If you're operating a forklift or stand-up lift truck and enter an aisle that Neo is cleaning, there are 2 ways to proceed. Before you continue to drive forward into the aisle, determine if the aisle is wide enough for you to pass Neo. If it is, proceed ahead and Neo will pass on the other side. If you enter the aisle but determine it's not wide enough for you to pass Neo, it is preferred that you reverse and wait until Neo has finished cleaning the aisle before entering. If you're placing an object or pallet onto a rack when Neo approaches, there are 2 ways to proceed. If the aisle is wide enough for Neo to pass, Neo will do just that. Please remain stationary and Neo will pass around you. If there is not enough room for Neo to pass, finish placing the object or pallet on the rack and then proceed out of the aisle in the opposite direction from Neo. Please keep in mind, Neo's smart and may leave while you're working, returning to finish the job from the other end of the aisle. Make sure to look both ways before you move. If you're operating an order picker in an aisle when Neo approaches, it's important to determine Neo's location before adjusting the basket height or moving the order picker. Look forwards, backwards, and over the side to determine where Neo is located. If you determine that Neo is underneath your basket, drive away from Neo at a fair speed while lowering your basket. With your basket lowered, Neo will be able to see you and continue cleaning when the path is clear. If your basket is already on the ground when Neo approaches, it will pause and wait until the path is cleared or proceed around you if there's enough room in the aisle. If you're going to park material handling equipment or any equipment that has forks in an area Neo may clean, please place a pylon on each fork. With the pylon in place, Neo will see the fork and avoid it accordingly as it cleans that area. Don't worry about placing a pylon on each fork if you're parking in a standard parking space. Neo will not clean standard parking spaces as they will be marked as no-go zones in the cleaning plan. If Neo is cleaning and you walk by, don't worry. Neo will work around you. When possible, please try to remain 10 to 15 feet away. If you walk closely in front of Neo when it's cleaning, Neo will pause and wait until the path is clear before continuing. You'll know when you're in close proximity to Neo as you'll hear the audio alert and see the beacon light flashing. We hope you found this video informative and educational. Keeping these tips and tricks in mind, Neo will quickly become another valuable member of your team. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoy working alongside your new robotic teammate.